Oh, this is Paul. Yeah. Yeah. Ex officio by virtue of office. And ex parte. Yeah. From one side only. Now, the ex officio superior court clerk. Yeah. By the virtue of their office. Yeah. hmm And ex parte. That one side. Yeah. Where the other side doesn't get any notice or opportunity to be heard. Now, I would say that the county has a very large problem, and I'm going to make it increasingly more serious tonight because I keep seeing what's known as virtue. Yeah. In the various laws. Now, for those of you that were all victory, ouch. Virtue is something in legal jargon. Yeah. That can have significant damage. Yeah. When it's violated. Popo. Now, virtue, moral excellence or goodness. Yeah. Conformity of life and conduct to moral laws. Uprightness, rectitude. Yes. Chastity, especially in women. A particular moral excellence. The cardinal virtues, justice, prudence, temperance, and fortitude. Yeah. The theological, virtues of faith, hope, and charity. And excellence. Merit or good quality. Brevity, if often a virtue. Effective force, there is no virtue in such measures. A power or property of producing a particular effect. Inherent power. Yeah. To produce effects. Potency or efficacy. Medicine of sovereign virtue. Yeah. An order of angels. See angel. OBS. Mainly manly excellence, spirit, or valor. By or in virtue of the reason of the act of virtue of authority conferred. Yeah. Something that is given to you. Yeah. Now, the virtue of laws. Yes. And you've decided that you were not going to be virtuous. Right. You were going to intentionally violate the laws. Because in your minds, as long as you get paid. Right. There is no virtue in the enforcement, the legislation. Yeah. The obligation of any law. Right now. Now, because I do see this word virtue when describing the legal profession. Yeah. See, there's a contempt of court where it dishonors the court. Right. Yeah. Now, Western Washington judges. Yeah. See the spaces right here? Yeah. Yeah. When you copy and paste, those aren't there. It's as if the sheriff's department was intentionally employing terrorists right now to conceal their crimes. Now, you'll notice right here. Yeah. Somebody was intentionally. Yeah. Obstructing my emails. Now, police department. List of the first LGBT holders of political offices. Yeah. In the United States. Yeah. And then look at here. There's a space right there. COURT_justices. Yeah. What's this? The list of LGBT state Supreme Court justices. Yeah. That would be lesbian, gay, bi, and transgender. Yeah. And then there's marry you right now. Now, I would say it violates the virtue of the actual court. Yeah. To in any way obstruct the communicating. Yeah. Of those that are known as political office holders. Yeah. State Supreme Court justices marry you. And then, let's see here, the NCLrights.org. Yes. Now, for some reason, yeah, the LGBT community doesn't like me that much. I don't really know why they don't. Now, it could be, right now, that the Supreme Court of the state of Washington doesn't really appreciate the virtue of the office of the ex officio superior court clerk. Yeah. In fact, for every office that is conferred on those that are appointed to office, yeah, there is a certain amount of obligation to enforce forgery laws. Now, I'm thinking, yeah, that we have soiled, yes, The judicial system of the United States. So I'd like to know why the Federal Bureau of Investigation, why the State National Guard, why every individual that is ex officio in any city, county, state, or the federal government, thought that it was okay to use forgeries to issue court orders. Ex parte. Could you get me all the ex officio anything in the United States of America? You could use EX, dash OFF, ex officio. Now I can't really spell it. OFFICIO. Ouch. Or it might not have a dash there. Just put it in quotations. EXOFFICIO. I think that there's an actual oath attached to right now. And I think by the virtue of the judicial system of the United States, there's a liability. Right. Now I'm looking for lawsuits. Marry you? Do you know any women that are lesbians that you could be on for a little while? The way I see it. Ouch! I think the Supreme Court of the state of Washington has violated the virtue of the judicial system of the United States. Now, you'd say there's no lawsuit for that. I'd say there's a large, could be billions of dollars. For having any knowledge of the intentional obstructions of justice. And then the refusal to enforce the actual obligations of the enforcement of the laws. Now, for all of you, both lesbian and gay, are there any other homosexual Supreme Court justices? Now, a whistleblower is someone who has evidence of fraud or misconduct. Reports it internally within the company and or to the government. Now, what kind of evidence must a whistleblower have? Ooh, documentary evidence. It's nice if you have it. Ouch. Now, for me, just looking at it, looks like somebody decided to intentionally obstruct all these emails. So as to confuse the recipients of the emails. About what the actual RCWs of the state of Washington say. Now, do the police or the sheriff's departments have any knowledge of the intentional obstructions of justice? Well, MR's rosters, roster authority. I named it a rosters authority as a folder. Determine your membership fee, the total capital expenditures. DV order obtained. Less than 5 million to 10 million. Now, domestic violence protection order. And then the clerk will forward a packet. A temporary order. You live so it can be entered in the statewide database. And then you will return for the full hearing within 14 days. Bring all your paperwork with you. For some reason, the petitioner didn't return. Brent, I want to know every ex officio that by the virtue of the office conferred on them has any knowledge of the degrading, insulting, issuance of any court order, where a forgery of an ex officio superior court clerk was used to issue those. They're all liable, and I'll sue them. Personal, professional, and legal liability. Ouch. Now, this is an absolute need. You can't issue it without the petitioner being there.